my name is Jacob DeBoer. Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. Today I'm going to be showcasing the 2024 Sea Ray SPX 190 right behind me here. It's a 19-foot boat. It's actually the smallest boat, or at least the shortest boat in the Sea Ray lineup. Look behind me here. It has had an overhaul, at least on the hull, for the 2024. You can see it's a little redesign here. It has a few more accent lines and ways to make it a little more aerodynamic on the water. You can also tell it's new because it's got their new Sea Ray logo. It's that pill design. Extra little sleek there. Really nice design, I think. Go back here. It's a really nice swim platform, pretty spacious. You can see on here too, on the design, they kind of have that new Sea Ray design kind of inspired throughout the boat and on their furniture as well, as we'll see inside. You got a swim sip here. It does open up once the engine is down. You got a MerCruiser engine on here. And you also have your ladder to get up. Can deploy from inside of here. You can lock it up in there to store it away. That's all for the exterior. Let's take a look at the interior. Alright, welcome inside the interior of the SPX 190. Right away you notice on the interior is a stone color throughout with a few black and darker grays accented with that. With the furniture here, what I like with the SPX models, it is a little bit adjustable. Here you got the adjustable backrest. You have a couple places you can put it in. The most common are forward and back. Right here, we got the hatch to the engine. If we lift that up, you can see the 4.5 liter, 200 horsepower MerCruiser engine. Plenty of power to push a boat like this. Goes up just as easy. Storage under all these seats. They are lift up. They can be taken off, so it gives you a few more options to get things inside. Makes it a little bit easier. Looking over to the helm. Oh, and before I forget, right below me here, really nice deep storage in here. We got the cover in there at the moment, but you can fit plenty of things inside there for the boating day. Helm chair, really nice design. You can see more of that, almost the pill design really throughout that. Sea Ray logo there. Bolster, rising up, looking above the windshield or just getting better visibility. So sit at the helm. You got an adjustable steering wheel at the center with the nice Sea Ray logo. Touch Simrad display screen. Off to your left, you got the Fusion Audio head unit. Fusion Audio has really great audio throughout the boat. You got speakers in the bow, in the back, and throughout the cockpit. You can adjust that all right here. Got a few switches for your accent lights, your running courtesy lights, bilge pump blower. And off to your right, you have your throttle and shift. And then coming up from the helm, you got storage under here where your co-captain can sit. And a few extra things you can throw in there. Just nice to have that on a 19-footer. Plenty of storage on here. In the bow, you got a cushion that you can take in and out. Right now we have it in, obviously. Makes it really nice for laying out in the sun. Lets you stretch out in this 19-foot boat. You really feel the space here in the bow. Really nice. Got more speakers up here, like I said, a couple grab handles, more of that design throughout the boat. Really sleek, well finished, kind of brings the whole boat together. Guys, this is the SPX 190 from Sea Ray. It's their 2024 complete redesign. Really cool to check out. Love to see you here at MarineMax Rogers. Stop on in, make an appointment. Love to show you. Thanks.